Hey guys, welcome back to Darish Zone, and this is very important video fix for the Retro Machine Ultimate. As you may notice, some arcade game doesn't work like it should because there's some issue with the emulator used. So just you have to go to setup, check for Retropie setup, okay? Then check for manage packages and check for main package. Then check for RFB Neo, Funarbor Neo, and then you have to select update from binary. And when the procedure is concluded, just go back and the emulator is updated, and then the games should work. Like for example the Outrun game, let's check together. With the new black bezel, dark and bezel is not so different compared to before, but considered all of you like it more this darkened type of bezel. I will release a mini patch with the new bezel. Okay, let's check another game which had issues on the previous version of emulator used on Retro Machine Ultimate. It's Metaslag 1. And you see all this game now works. It's very simple, you can fix by yourself just updating the emulator into Retropie. It's very easy. Nothing to install, nothing to copy. That's why Retropie have the possibility of using to update the cores, which it's a given. It's a gift from Retropie guys, and this is very helping in this situation. Okay, and Metal Slug 3 also works. Let's also check some CPS game. You have to thanks for this. You have to thanks the VIP community on Discord. That's why I want to build a very close and trusty circle of users, of community, which can help me not only with the donations but also with the feedbacks. Okay guys, and it's thanks to them if we will be able to recognize this issue. So you have to thanks the great VIP guys for that. Okay, and the feedbacks just continue, just join us and help us to make this world even better. Okay, let's check another game that doesn't work properly. It's okay, Street Fighter Turbo X or Street Fighter Turbo, I don't remember. Turbo or Turbo X. And also the Vampire Savior game doesn't work, and we have another fix to use the name 2010 emulator, but is way better, the Funarbor Neo, so just use this fix, is better. Okay, you can choose the emulator for the arcade set, you have some choice. You see, let's see together. Vampire Savior, for example, when if you press the button, when you see the Okay, I was too slow. I had to be more faster. This is the run command menu, and there you see you have a lot of emulator to use for arcade, and most of those emulator are already assigned to the ROMs, so you don't have to change every time. The default emulator is always FB but you can see some emulator per ROM should be have a different emulator like MAME. So let's check this with the Fireburn shoe works now. We are still testing, but you see the results are very positive for now, promising. Okay, this is in Vampire Savior. There's some problem updating the emulator. It's a Street Fighter 2 mix which doesn't work anymore because it have to be it's not there. It's on arcade hacks because it's an hack. The Street Fighter 2 mix, but it's a great hack. So this must be updated. I will provide you the updated version if you decide to update the emulator. Don't worry. And this is also the very updated version of Street Fighter 2 Mix, which is better compared to before. So it's a 1.2 version, so it's more recent. It's a tribute to it's a fun game, okay? It's made for it's made by fans and it's great. Look, even the intro is different. Let's see a bit of this because it's great. The stages are improved, the sprites have new animation. It's a little gem. The background is animated. The sky is animated. I don't remember if the sky was animated on the original version. I don't think so. So guys, let's try just keep a backup of the Retro Machine Ultimate around in case things go bad. We are still experimenting, but I recommend this fix for now. Okay, this was a very quick video. Let me see what you think and subscribe to channel and keep support. We will catch up on the next video. Bye bye.